Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So tonight I'm going to do another video, which I have two more recorded, and I'm going to be posting all three of them within the next little bit after I record this video. Anyways, so I made a video before this of some garage sale hauls. Found some garage sale. I went to some garage sales today and I found some really cute stuff, some purses, some pants. There was one thing and a cute shirt and a little cute bracelet from Vera Bradley, but if you guys watch it, it'll be down below in my other video with my other videos. But I did leave one thing out because obviously it fell in with this purse that I have here that I'm going to unbox and show you guys. So I did buy this. It is a Coach, and it says Coach right there. It says Coach on the back. And when I bought it, my mom's like, that's a cigarette holder. And I don't smoke, so I thought it was really cute. And for $2, I couldn't pass it up. Opens like this, and you put some cards in there. You can put your money in here. And I always carry my asthma pump with me just in case I shall need it. I should need it. And then you just close it up. And if you don't want to take your purse, you just want to run to the store, but you need to bring your asthma pump and you need to bring your money with you. Perfect little thing to put some stuff in. And then just hold your cell phone in your hand and bring this with you if you're running just to the store. So just throw that over there. So anyway, so today I went to, this video is because it's this one. So as you know, I have an obsession with Michael Kors, and since my last video of a haul I did, I had purchased another Michael Kors purse within about a week ago. Last Saturday it was. So today, every time I go in there, the girls are like, you're back. You're in here again every week. Once a week. Yes, I am. I have obsessive compulsive disorder. I really need to stop because I really need to move and get into a bigger house. So I think this is going to be my last last expensive shopping purchased until I move next month, or like sometime next month when I move. So anyways, I went in there today, and last time I was there, I bought a purse that was brown and black, brown, white, and gold. And if you guys seen it in my last video, it was between that purse or this one that I bought today. And I'm glad I didn't buy that one. The one I bought today, I'm glad I didn't buy it the last time, because last time it was $428 and it was 80% off, which made it about over $100, probably about $130, $140 with tax. Today I went in the store and I saw it was the last one left, and I bought it for, I want to say it was about $85 I paid for it. So basically that's what I made basically today working. So I basically saved money on my Kors purse. Yeah. Okay. But anyway, it's really cute and I want to show you it. So let's get into this video. Oh, first, now the girls know me there. I go in there all the time, and the girl had, I'll just show you. It's these little, they say Michael Kors on them. They are just, open that, and you do put your glasses in here, and they are for bigger glasses. I'm hoping my big side glasses fit in here because I really wanted this. So I went in and I was paying for my purse, and the girl, I saw these sitting on her register, and one of them sitting on her register, and I said, those are so cute. I said, do you guys sell those? And she said, no, but we do have some in the back that I can give you one. And I was like, well, how much are they? And she said, well, I'll give it to you for free. And I was like, sweet. So she gave me this for free, and I thought it was really nice of her. It's practically brand new. I think it is brand new. But of course it looks brand new. I was like, I don't know. But anyway, it's really cute, and it would look really cute with, like, not even really cute, yeah. It'll look really cute. It will probably fit my sunglasses perfectly right in here, and it just has a bigger top so we can close it, and my sunglasses won't break, and I won't sit on them like I usually do. When I get in my car, I leave them in my seat and I sit on them. So this was a good investment, even though it was free. So last but not least, the reason for this video tonight, and this is my new purse. Yes, I know you're like, why does it look dirty on the bottom? But it's, let me show you guys. So it is like this, and it is white and gray on top, and then it fades into a gray on the bottom here, and a gray, and it does that here. It's kind of like an ombre effect. And on the back, it's just the normal white with gray. And then it's on this side, but on the bottom, it is just white and gray Michael Kors. It does have gray straps and this gray thing here and a gray handle. So you can either wear it as a backpack or you can hold it like this, which I'm going to wear it as a backpack. And I think this is absolutely beautiful, this purse. But it's just take some of this stuff out over here for now. Let's throw it in the garbage after the video. Okay, so then this is the inside of the purse. There is a lot of room in there for a lot of stuff. I think it would be really cute if I went like to an amusement park or something one day, or anywhere like that I'm going to be walking around and I don't want to bring my purse and hold it on my arm and I just want to carry a bag on my back with some stuff in it. I have this bag. I really liked how it faded, went from like the regular Michael Kors to a little bit of Michael Kors being seen here to nothing here, fading into this really, really pretty, I don't know if you want to call it gray or taupe, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a brownish gray. It's really pretty. And then it does have the big part, and then it does have the front part where you can put your cell phone, your keys, whatnot. And then it does have side pockets. So I'm sorry, you can stick your cell phone in here or on this side. It doesn't really matter, but okay. So yeah, that is the purse I bought today. Once again, we'll just show you the whole thing, and it is very, very well made. Michael Kors purses last forever, guys. If you like Michael Kors purses, definitely tell you to invest in one of these. It'll last you years. I have tons of them. Just make sure you're buying a real one. I did buy one year from a yard sale, a garage sale years ago, and it was a knockoff. At the time I didn't know, because I didn't know much about Michael Kors. I only had a few at that time, a couple at that time, which I didn't know much about, but now I do, and definitely tell the fake from the real, because I know that the other one I have is definitely fake, guys. So anyways, I just dropped the cell phone case thing, the eyeglass thing. I'll get that in a minute. But anyway, if you guys like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Have a good night.